Zach and Jacqueline are on their way here, and we just finished building their van. Come check out behind the scenes of their build and design as we reveal this couple's van life story.
So I'm Zach Hayward. This is my wife, Jacqueline Covey. We're both from Utah originally. We've since moved to San Diego.
We met in high school. I must have been like 14 or 15, still had braces.
It's crazy.
Zach is a couple years older than me. So
I remember when you got your braces off though.
Yeah,
like,
that was a big moment.
That was a big moment.
Yeah, I was invisible before then, which was good. But yeah, we met in high school and we were good friends. And then Zach moved to Japan for a few years. And when he came back, we just started dating and it was really natural. So we got married in May 2014. So we're coming up on 8 years.
So the build they picked was very simple, it was very functional. Since they're going to be renting it out and using it at the same time, I think they'll be really happy with it. Since they will also be renting their van out, they wanted to make it very functional for 1 to 2 people. They decided to build on a Ford Transit 250 all-wheel drive to be able to handle the rough terrain. In the back of the van, it has a queen-size bed that will accommodate 2 people. They'll be sleeping east and west to save space. We built into the van cavities to extend the sleeping area to 6'5" in length for sleeping. On both sides of the bed, there will be benches. One bench is for storage, and the other bench is for a separate compost toilet. Between the bed, there's a pull-out table for work and eating. On the driver's side, there's an open counter space with drawers for storage. On the driver's side, there are more counters with a sink. They opted to have a camping stove instead of one built in for versatility and extra counter space. Since there's no indoor shower, we put an outdoor shower on the back in the garage area. There will be upper cabinets along the passenger side and upper cabinets along the driver's side for extra counter space.
Zach and Jacqueline, the two of them just really were on board with each other with the look that they were after. Jacqueline really did not want a lot of bedding. I'm used to doing a lot of pillows and things in the van, and also they were really concerned about using very natural fabrics and making sure that everything was green that we used in the van. They were going to be using a camp stove instead of having a built-in stove, something that they could use for inside or outside cooking. The countertop, the cabinets, all very much in the same stain, the same look. It was really nice working with a different look, and I just imagine Jacqueline and Zach out in this beautiful wilderness in Utah with those gorgeous mountains and the orange and all the different colors, and then just having their van just be part of that natural serene background.
So I just came back from a trip. I was out west. I was in Denver visiting my little sister. She's getting married the next few months, and I got to go visit her and Dan, her fiance. So it was a really nice trip. I was away for 3 weeks. I spent some time in Breckenridge. Now I'm back, and there's a week left of the build, so everything's just going really smooth.
Hey, look who's back.
Hey, what's going on, Ty?
What's going on?
Hey,
How you doing?
Hey, good seeing you, buddy. Good seeing you.
Well, I hate to give you bad news right off the bat, but we got an issue with Zach's van.
Okay, what's the issue?
The motor under the seat doesn't work, and we need to order another one.
All right, let's go take a look.
Let's do it. Alright, so yeah, I was saying, man, the seat got pulled out, and somebody grabbed the bracket and ripped this entire motor out. So we're going to have to order a new one of these, so that way this seat can move forward and backwards.
Okay, did we order the one?
We did, but it's looking like it's going to be on back order for a while. So we're going to have to call the customer and let them know.
All right, let's do this. Let's call every dealership, any part place, wherever we can get this. Just calling one person's not enough. So we got to get as many options as we possibly can, because I mean they're going to be here next week.
Sounds good to me, man.
So we got to get that for them. Okay?
I'll call as many as I can, and we'll find. If there's a will, there's a way, man. We will make this work.
Okay. All right. Let's get on that. So Zach and Jacqueline just came in from Utah. We're going to the hotel to pick them up. It was snowing last night. Their flight was delayed, but it gave us some time to fix the part that we needed to fix. Welcome to Detroit. So when you guys started telling me about what you were doing, and you wanted to do a camper van company where you'd rent it out.
There's something called the triple bottom line, and that is a business model that equally prioritizes people, planet, and profit. So instead of being concerned just about how much we would make on the rental, it's also saying how can we do right by the earth, how can we do right by our community, and make something that's successful on all three of those fronts.
My uncle actually has this place, and this is a part of a nonprofit. It's called Detroit Water Ice, and what it does is he helps raise money for all the other charities that he has. So all the profits from this go into all his charities.
And all these charities are based in Detroit.
Yeah, yes.
Greater Detroit.
Yep, so they're all actually in Detroit. So
Okay.
they service the needy people of Detroit. The children, homeless veterans, women and children clinic. They have all sorts of different
That's
charities
so
that it
important.
all contributes to.
Yeah.
You guys ready to go see your van?
Yes.
We are.
You are?
Yeah.
Are you sure? I mean,
This
you
is
want to
why
lunch
we-
first?
this is why we're here,
or-
Paul.
Oh,
I don't know, maybe we could just, yeah, we should go.
okay. All right, let's do it. Sounds good.
You come in?
Yeah, this is the toy factory here. This is what we do.
All
We
right.
build vans.
It's exactly how I pictured it. I'm going.
Yep. Oh, and this one's yours.
This one's ours, huh?
This one is yours.
All right.
How do we do it? Where do we go?
You come this way.
I'm so nervous.
After a long waiting, you want to see your van?
It's time.
Ready?
It's time.
Come on, here's your van. Here, you go first.
Oh my gosh. This is incredible.
Oh my gosh, it's so
So, these turned out? You like how these turned out? Wow. You guys, thank you.
It's awesome, right? We really like this one. This one's really, really pretty.
There's so much space, too.
Yeah, it's really tall.
Yeah, I thought we'd be like, oh, this is great, Paul. Like, we can, no, this is incredible.
So this doesn't get old. Every time somebody comes, picks up their van, it's just so exciting to see Zach and Jacqueline, see their faces. I'm headed up to Utah right now. I couldn't be happier of this. The reaction he does everything, so it's fantastic.
I think in the end, Jacqueline was extremely pleased with the van, and I'm so happy that we were able to meet all her needs.
It's like just gorgeous. I'm obsessed. Oh, that's really nice.
And there's USB outlets underneath them. So then you have a
Oh,
place to
so
put your
nice.
stuff. Yep.
That is amazing. This is amazing. I'm in shock.
Another great passion of mine outside of travel and building is helping young entrepreneurs, and I just really love what they're doing with everything. If you ever are looking to rent a van, they're out in the San Diego area. Look them up on Instagram at the Terra Van, and go enjoy their van.
We're just so thrilled.
We're stoked. Like,
It's
coming into it, I didn't really, like, we had seen some pictures and, just pictures online, but actually, like, stepping into, like, your, like, customized van is, like, pretty cool.
It's
Pretty
incredible,
special.
but I think the attention to detail is
They did a
the
phenomenal
most amazing
job.
thing to me. Like touching the materials that are used and seeing how everything was staged and just the fabrics and
Yeah, the
like
upholstery,
all the insulation, everything is just done with such attention to
angles.
detail. It's like
Yeah.
well worth the price of customizing a building. It's
yeah,
just gorgeous. I'm so thrilled with it.
100% worth every penny, and we've loved the experience working with Drifter Vans.
Yeah, can't wait to take it out.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to check out more of our van life stories.